Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's the recipe of lasagna. First of all, you need the ingredients: 1 teaspoon salt and 1 cup cooking oil and white sauce. I have uploaded the link of that white sauce recipe in the description box. You can have that recipe for white sauce. That's very easy. 4 tablespoons of white sauce, then garlic and ginger paste chop, or you can have 2 tablespoons. Then these are the slices of cheddar cheese. I use the Adams ones. I need 2 packs of that. And this is half kg chicken, and this is another pack of 1 block of, you can say, the mozzarella cheese. I've used it Adams. It's up to you which brand you want to. And this is the vinegar, 1 tablespoon. It's up to your taste. Then again, that was the packet of cheddar cheese slices by Adams. So this is the soya sauce 2 tablespoon, and then black pepper 2 teaspoons. These all things are you can have according to your taste. Then chili sauce, and this is also 2 tablespoons. I'm going to use it. This is the ketchup. I'm using it here by National. You can use whatever you want to. Then the lasagna strips, you can have it in the market, and it's easily available in all the super stores. I think you can go and buy this lasagna strip pack first. And the capsicum, I have taken 4 and chopped into the pieces. So first of all, you'll have to on your flame and your stove, and then put the oil into the pan, and after a bit when your oil is warm, then add this garlic ginger paste in it, and just saute it and add the chicken into it, and then cook it properly with the salt and chicken, so it will get this color. On the medium flame you can cook your chicken without water, only in salt and ginger garlic paste, oil, and that's it. And just you'll have to cook it and mix. Yeah, and it's done almost. And on the other hand, you'll have a pan and boil water in that, and then add lasagna strips, and this is how they are boiled now. And I just strain the cold water in it, just, and that's it. Now in this pan where the only salted and black pepper chicken, I'm just gonna add chili sauce, soya sauce, and the vinegar, and then I'll cook it a bit so it will get dry and fried properly, and then I will shred it and chop it. You can as well if you want to in the chopper. So that's the final look of this cooked chicken. Now you'll have a glass pan which is oven proof, and you'll have to take any mold which is safe for your oven or your pressure cooker, or in a big saucepan where you want to cook your lasagna. I'll just lay these all lasagna strips into the pan first, and over this I will pour cooked chicken layer. Then I will add capsicum and the ketchup and the white sauce recipe is very simple, and I have uploaded it already, and I have shared the link of that recipe in the description box. You can take it from that. And so these 4 things are here, and after that you will have to add the cheddar cheese slices, and then the mozzarella, and so on. You will have to, now it's the second layer. So it's the same chicken, then capsicums, white sauce, ketchup, and then the cheese, mozzarella and cheddar, and then you will have to top up your pan. So you can subscribe my channel please if you want to watch my videos again. So you can find my channel, search my channel easily on the YouTube. So that's the way I'm just gonna do it. So I'm just going to layer it up. So now layers are done. Look how this looks. It's the final layer with the after I think 3 layers are here, and this is the final cheese layer over it. Now I put it in the oven for 30 minutes. The task was only I just wanted to melt the cheese. That's it. Just you should melt the cheese, and that's the final look of lasagna. Now this is the pizza cutter I have taken, and my cheese is totally fixed and melted, and I'm just gonna cut it into the pieces so that I can dish out easily. I want to dish it out easily. Look, cheese is melted thoroughly and in all layers. That's the look inside the pan. You can see these are loaded with the cheese and chicken. And now I'm just gonna taste it. How it was too yummy. I've tasted, and you can cook it at home. It was very easy. It was not so tough. You can make it and enjoy your lasagna, and let me know that how did you find this